Hello friends, welcome back to our Tech Key 99 channel. In this video I'm gonna to add earning a score in platformer game. So let's see how to make earning a score. Before begin, a request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. First of all, I have to add a coin. If player will collision with coin, then earning a score will be increased. So let's see how to add a coin. Click on add a new object, a sprite, and type here coin. Click on add animation, add. Click on apply and drag this coin here. Add a new object, sprite, and coin 2. Okay, so now go to events and click on plus icon, create a new group and type here a score, add a new event, add condition. When player is collision with coin, select coin 2. When player is in collision with coin, then earning a score will be increased. Add action, other actions, variables, value of a scene variable, and type here a score, add, click on OK, add action and select a score, modify the text equal to and then click on OK. Add a new event, add condition, other conditions, variable, value of a scene variable, and type here a score, greater than, here will be global variable high score, h score. Okay, click on OK. Add action, other actions, variable, and click on global variables, value of a global variable, and here will be h score. Okay, equal to variable score. Click on OK. Add action and type here write a value, type here a storage name, save, and group name h score, and expression will be global variable h score. Click on OK. Go to level 1. Now let's make a high score. Click on project manager and click on game over. Now go to events, click on plus icon, groups, type here high score. Okay, click on add a new event and drag this here, add action, h score, modify the text equal to Click on OK. Add a new event. Add a condition. Click on existence of a group and type here storage name, save, and group name score. Click on OK. Add action and type here read a value and storage name, save, and the scene variable will be a score. Click on OK. And now copy this code and paste here, and it will be a score, and here will be to string variable score. Click on OK. Okay, so now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. When player is collision with coin, then score is increasing. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please support me by hitting the like button below and subscribing so that we can send you the newest one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.